Hi, it's Jude, and I'm going to show you how to make a bird. Before I do this, thumbs up, and at the end, thumbs up again if this works for you. Subscribe for any other origami things I should make, and I might post back if I made it already, because I've made lots of origami things. I am just in love with origami. But, yeah, now, let's get to it. So, start off with a normal square piece of paper. Any size would work. Bigger the bird. But yeah, so let's get to it. Fold in half. So take the 2 points and fold it straight across from each other like this. Oh yeah, and pause it if I'm going too quick, but I don't think I am. Anyways, so crease it well. Fix up corners if they're wrong. Now you should get this. It's a pretty simple bird, but take that and then you do the same with the other side. So you take the other 2 points and you fold it across from each other. And by the way, on this bird, the wings actually flap if you make it correctly by pulling the tail. It's kind of funny watching it, but now you have this with the cross in the middle. And then now what you do is you take these 2 flaps and you do a valley fold. Basically what a valley fold is you just simply fold it across from each other. Other people call it a hamburger. Some smaller kids call it a hamburger fold. And, yeah, so anyways, valley fold across, do this. So now you should have, fix up my folds. You should have this. Now, open it up, and you should have this shape. Line straight down the middle and an X straight across from it. And you take that and flip it over. And then right in the center, right there, you press your finger and just press it so it should flap up. You take those 2 flaps, and you should have these, and then you just pinch, and you bring it to the side. Bring it down to here. And then squash it. Oh wait, no. It's the other way. Never mind. So you take these two ones, right, this line and this line. You make it. You take those 2. I'm so at this. Okay, if I do one fold wrong, it's gonna take me a long time to press back up again. So, should have this. Now you're just gonna totally squash it down like this. Could do that. You should have a diamond shape. And with the flaps below, you're going to take these and fold it in. So this flap is going to go into the center. So I'm going to do that. So it should look like this. And then do the same with the other side. So you should have this. And then do the same on the back. So you should have this shape, kind of like ice cream. Cone and ice cream on top. So basically, this is ice cream, and then cone below. I'm just going to take the ice cream and I'm just going to pull it backwards. So now you just have this, Anyways, so you have this, and then, so you're going to take it and you're going to take the side with the flaps on it and fold it straight upwards. this. Oh. This is a hard part. I think I did something wrong. I always do something wrong. Oh yeah, so you get to here. So it's gonna rip if you keep pulling. So you're gonna take these two flaps that stick out and you're just gonna fold them right to the center, this line here. So now you should get this part. That was the hardest part I've always struggled on. And it took me so long to figure out how to do it, just from the book. So this on the front, this on the back, and now you have to do the same on the back. So flip your ice cream up, and do the same. And this, and then fold these two flaps on the inside. Now we got this diamond, both on the same side. One with flaps like running. Well, the legs on the little guy running is going to be the head and the tail. So what you're going to do is you're going to flip it up. No, you're going to take these big flaps and you're just going to fold it over like this. Just like this. And press that down. You should have this shape. Point on the like an ice cream again, but more. And then now only 2 more steps to go. Take this and you just fold it out like this. Take from the center here. So you have 2 flaps here. Running walking guy. You're just gonna take his legs, just gonna wash. Take one of them at a time and just wash it. This. That can either be the head or the tail, and then you're going to do the same to the other side. This is another part I struggled on. So I have this. It can be one lower, one higher. I'm just going to make this the tail and this the head. Whatever's best even. So you're going to take the head. It's quite simple. And you're just going to take it and bend it over like this. And fold it. Then you got your bird. So this is the bird, and this is how it flaps. So you have the wings here. You can fold them out, make them nice and loose. Sometimes the flapping doesn't work. So you take this and then you pull the tail back. This wing isn't really flapping right now. There you go.